Babes, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Yeah, y'all know, you see this bowl, we getting ready to mix up something that's great for you. Absolutely. This right here is a natural treatment to lighten and brighten your body, your face, your neck, your bikini area, honey, elbows and knees, wherever you want to put this, near sensitive areas. And great thing about it is good for all skin types. If you want to know what I'm getting ready to mix up in this bowl, you need to keep on watching. But first, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you, beautiful babe. Let's get busy. Okay, y'all, the first ingredient right here is yogurt. Now, we've used plain yogurt before. Today, we just have plain low-fat yogurt. Inexpensive. Applying yogurt on your face regularly can lessen the visibility of blemishes and moles, make freckles disappear, and lighten suntanned skin. We are going to use 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And that is absolutely perfect there. Next, we have rice flour. It helps to brighten the skin by improving the collagen and elasticity of the skin. The tyrosinase present in it controls the production of melanin in the skin. We're going to take just 1 teaspoon of the rice flour. There we go. Now, we love aloe vera gel on this channel. We use a lot of it. Yes, we're going to use some aloe vera gel today because it is good with dealing with skin problems, and it's also good for skin lightening. The aloe vera plant contains some essential minerals and vitamins that help to reduce pigmentation and lower the production of melanin in the skin. Let's go ahead and do a ½ tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera plant, please use it. No problem there. There we go. Now we're going to take some lemon juice. These lemons, I have already kind of squeezed a little bit of them out on a previous treatment I was using, but I have a little bit more left, so I'm just going to take this lemon juice here. Whatever I have left, I'm not going to waste nothing, girls. No ma'am, no sir. I'm going to use it because, hey, I ain't got it like y'all got it. You may have all that money, but I ain't got all that money. I got to use every drop. And that is plenty enough, I do believe. See all that good juice that's left in that lemon? And we're just going to take a ½ tablespoon of the lemon juice. Let's see if we can do this without getting seeds. What good? There we go. Bam. Now, you know lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent for your skin. Lemon juice whitens the complexion, bleaches facial hair, reduces uneven pigmentation and dark circles, blemishes, and freckles. And the final ingredient is turmeric. This is ground organic turmeric, and we've used this time and time again, but let me tell those who may not have visited this channel about turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which inhibits pigmentation in the skin. This leads to diminishing of dark spots and lightening of skin over time. Yes, everything takes time, baby. So don't think you can use this treatment one time and you just gonna have brightened skin. We use it over time, so work with it. We are just gonna take, well, this is 1/4 teaspoon, which is about a pinch. That's all we need. That's completely all we need. And now we're just going to mix it, and mix it some more. I'm actually going to add in a little bit more of the rice flour to the mixture because I love mine a little bit thicker. I didn't think about that when I was mixing it, but there we go. Just a little bit more so it can not be runny, just able to stick in place, and that is perfect. Now, another optional ingredient is a tablespoon of cucumber juice. If you like to juice a cucumber, you would use 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice as an optional ingredient, because you know the cucumbers actually have astringent properties in them to lighten the skin. Absolutely. So here we go. There is your treatment to lighten and brighten your body, face, neck, bikini area, because it is great for sensitive areas and all skin types. Remember, it does have lemon juice in there, which has vitamin C, which I recommend not sitting in the sun for too long. Hey, you can go outside, just don't play in the sun too long. So do this treatment when you are definitely going to be more indoors. And what we do is just take it on the skin, wherever the affected area is, and we work it in. We rub it in like so. And now that it's on, you'll massage for 2 to 3 minutes and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Apply a moisturizer, your normal moisturizer as usual. You can use this 2 to 3 times per week. And for storage, it can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Beautiful babes, I hope you loved it. I hope you liked it, because I sure did. And I'm getting ready to go do my whole body, my knees, my elbows, and all of that good stuff. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And beautiful babes, share me with your world. Bye.